How to open and install MyASUS application. MyASUS simplifies device management, putting powerful tools for settings, updates, and diagnostics. Easily launched with the F12 hotkey, or find the app in Windows. But what if it won't open, or you're missing key features? In this video, we'll guide you through the simple fixes to get your MyASUS app running perfectly.
First, search for MyASUS in the Microsoft Store and install it.
If you're only seeing some of the features in your MyASUS, no worries. Let's download one simple driver from the ASUS Download Center. Find your device through auto detection or manual input of the serial number or model. Under the Driver and Tools, download the ASUS System Control Interface driver. Locate the file and double-click to launch it. Follow the indicator to accept the license agreement and process the installation.
After rebooting, verify the driver installation in Device Manager to confirm the install was successful. Okay, now you can install or open MyASUS again and use MyASUS for seamless device management now. Once you've got the hang of it, help others get started too.
Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. Like the video and share your comment below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.